Hello guys! In today's video, we're going to explain easy and simple solutions to fix a problem that many people face, which is the issue of no internet connection or Wi-Fi. The solution to this problem is very easy and simple, and we'll learn it together right now. But please, at the beginning of the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any new content. And let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is go to the internet icon and click on it like this. The first step we need to make sure of is that airplane mode is not enabled. For example, if we enable airplane mode, we'll notice that the Wi-Fi networks disappear. So if you find that airplane mode is enabled on your device, you need to turn it off like this. That's the first method. The second method, we'll go to the internet icon and right-click on it, then choose the first option from here. We'll wait a few seconds until it finishes loading. After that, we'll leave it selected on the first network adapter, then click on Next. Here, it will show us that there is a problem with the internet. We'll choose the first option, which is Apply this fix, then click on Close. Now, if you did these two steps and the internet still isn't working for you, what should you do? We'll again go to the internet icon, right-click on it, then choose the second option, which is Open Network and Internet Settings. After that, we'll go to the option below called Change Adapter Options and click on it. Here you'll find Wi-Fi or WLAN. Choose either one of them, right-click on it, then select Properties from the bottom. After that, click on Configure, then go to the third tab from the top, which is Driver. Then choose the last option at the bottom called Uninstall Device. Click on it and then select Uninstall. Now it will disable the Wi-Fi network or the internet in general. After that, we'll restart the device, and God willing, the problem will be solved very easily, like this. And these are the three most important methods that solve all internet and Wi-Fi problems. We've now reached the end of the video. I hope you benefited from today's video. If you have any questions or inquiries, write them in the comments and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Goodbye.